We're here at Collegetown Center to take a look at studio apartment 218. Let's go on in. You'll see we've got the kitchen on the left-hand side, which is the same for all of these north rectangle, even number style of apartments. There's the refrigerator, the dishwasher and sink. There's a microwave provided, and there's a stove oven. These kitchens will have some assorted cupboards and drawers. As we go in through the kitchen, we'll pass by the closet, which is on our left. Let's look in there briefly. So just a regular closet for your storage items. We'll take a look at the apartment, but let's pass by the bathroom over here. The bathroom is over on this side, and the bathroom will have the standing tub shower, the vanity, and there's a toilet and a sink over here, and a medicine cabinet. As we go into the main part of the apartment, these north rectangle style apartments are all the same. You may move the furniture around wherever you like. They'll always be furnished with a desk and chair, a full-size bed, a dining table and chair, a dresser, and a bookshelf. Let's go over by the window and take a look outside. We're on floor 2 of this 6th-floor building, and on this north side or Dryden Road side of the building, we've got our great people watching. Here you can see what's going on in central Collegetown. That is towards the corner of College Avenue up that way. And you can see there's the heater over there. Here's the air conditioner under the window. There are mini blinds on the windows. All of these apartments that are the north rectangle, even number style, that's 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, and 24, are the same layout on floors 2 through 6. The difference will be the position on the floor and the floor that you're on. But the shape and layout of the apartment is all the same. Again, you may move the furniture around however you like. We're in Collegetown Center at 151 Dryden Road. We're just 1 block away from campus.